All right, so I had bread, and bread doesn't really agree with me unless it's like really high quality bread. So I'm just going to add the journal entry. Feeling sick from bread. I'm feeling sick, but I'm feeling bloated. So I'm going to add the entry, and that's going to bring us back to our homepage, which will pop up with what I've just posted. You can see there's some other people in here. This is pretty cool. Hey, Callan. So
Yeah, and it's because he made it public. So this guy made it public, Harry.
yeah,
So everyone can see and everyone can comment and share on reactions, so then they know, oh, I do that. And when 1,000 people are in it, and then you're all commenting, getting this amazing database of health and also recipes, and this person did this and this person did this. And even if we go to Harry's, and you get access to us too, almost commenting on things, right? So he uploaded his posture photos in there, which is really, he didn't upload posture photos, they were photos for the cleanse. But I can see that he's got a mad rib flare, internally rotated pec. Like I can give him tips on that sort of stuff, and that's what excites me. Like, 'cause I can see what he needs to do.
for sure.
Need to do a little bit of lower abdominal stuff, bro, and bring that sternum down. But we'll talk about that.
Less on the curve. Less
Less on the curve, and the pec minus type, internally rotating his arm. But you know what I mean? How cool is that? You're getting a database of health conscious people in one platform, all sharing stuff.
Yeah.
That's what excites me.
Yeah,
Creative culture.
Yeah, and it's insane. There's another guy, Jerry B. Jerry B333. Yeah, it looks pretty jacked. So he began program.
Yeah, and he's uploading there's his posture photos too.
Yeah, cool.
And recipe ideas, like he's having raw kefir with green apple and berries. You can have that. So that's not in the cleanse ebook, right? But that's an idea. Now I want to have that now. You know what I mean? So you get to motivate off each other, and we plan on adding movement stuff to this. We plan on adding like all sorts of like exercise and workouts of the week and that sort of stuff. And for now, it's at this price, which is basic, but eventually want to add to it more and just improve the value of it in general.